Ever wondered how some businesses, especially in retail and restaurants, seem to operate so smoothly, so efficiently, almost like they have a secret weapon? Well, sometimes they just might. That secret weapon could be a powerful point-of-sale POS system, and today, we're diving deep into one of the big names in that world, Lightspeed. Specifically, we're tackling the question, what is Lightspeed best for? Now, before we jump in, let's paint a picture. Imagine a bustling boutique. Customers are browsing, trying on clothes, and ready to make a purchase. The sales associate needs to quickly ring up the sale, process the payment, update inventory, and maybe even capture some customer data for future marketing. Or picture a busy restaurant on a Friday night. Orders are flying in from all directions, tables are turning over quickly, and the staff needs to keep track of everything from appetizers to desserts, special requests, and split bills. In both these scenarios, a clunky, outdated system just won't cut it. You need something robust, something reliable, something that can handle the pressure. That's where a POS system like Lightspeed comes in. Lightspeed is a cloud-based POS and e-commerce platform designed to streamline operations and enhance the customer experience for a variety of businesses. But it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Its strengths lie in specific areas, and understanding those strengths is key to determining if it's the right fit for your business. So, what is Lightspeed best for? Let's break it down. 1. Retail. Lightspeed Retail is a powerhouse for brick-and-mortar stores, particularly those with multiple locations. It excels at inventory management, allowing you to track stock levels in real time, set reorder points, and even manage transfers between stores. This is crucial for avoiding stockouts and ensuring you always have the right products on hand. Beyond inventory, Lightspeed Retail offers robust sales reporting, allowing you to analyze sales trends, identify top-selling items, and understand your customer demographics. It also integrates with various e-commerce platforms, creating a seamless omnichannel experience for your customers. Think of it as your central command for all things retail, from managing your physical store to your online presence. 2. Restaurants. Lightspeed Restaurant is tailored to the fast-paced environment of the food service industry. It handles everything from order management and table management to payment processing and employee scheduling. For restaurants with table service, the system allows staff to easily manage reservations, track table availability, and even split bills with ease. For quick-service restaurants, Lightspeed can streamline the ordering process, allowing for quick and efficient service. A key feature is its ability to integrate with kitchen display systems, KDS, sending orders directly to the kitchen staff for preparation, reducing errors and improving communication. Lightspeed Restaurant can also help manage your menu, track ingredient costs, and generate detailed reports on your restaurant's performance. 3. E-commerce integration. In today's world, having an online presence is essential for most businesses. Lightspeed understands this and offers seamless integration with its own e-commerce platform, as well as other popular platforms. This allows you to manage your online and offline sales from a single dashboard, keeping your inventory synchronized and providing a consistent experience for your customers, whether they're shopping in your store or online. This omnichannel approach is a huge advantage for businesses looking to expand their reach and cater to the growing number of online shoppers. 4. Multi-location management. For businesses with multiple locations, Lightspeed simplifies management by providing a centralized platform to oversee all aspects of your operations. You can track sales, inventory, and employee performance across all your locations from a single dashboard. This makes it easier to identify trends, manage inventory distribution, and ensure consistency across your brand. This is a game changer for businesses looking to scale and expand their operations. 5. Customer relationship management. CRM. Lightspeed includes built-in CRM features that allow you to capture customer data, track purchase history, and personalize your marketing efforts. This information can be invaluable for understanding your customer base, identifying loyal customers, and creating targeted marketing campaigns. By understanding your customers better, you can improve customer satisfaction and drive repeat business. 6. Reporting and analytics. Data is king in the business world, and Lightspeed provides a wealth of data and analytics to help you make informed decisions. You can generate reports on everything from sales and inventory to customer behavior and employee performance. These insights can help you identify areas for improvement, optimize your operations, and make strategic decisions to grow your business. 7. Integrations. Lightspeed integrates with a wide range of third-party apps and services, extending its functionality and allowing you to connect it with other tools you already use. From accounting software to marketing platforms, these integrations can streamline your workflow and improve efficiency. 8. User-friendly interface. While powerful, Lightspeed is designed to be user-friendly, even for those who aren't tech experts. The interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, making it simple for your staff to learn and use the system effectively. This reduces training time and ensures that your team can focus on serving customers, not struggling with complicated software. Now, while Lightspeed offers a lot of advantages, it's not the perfect solution for every business. It's important to consider your specific needs and requirements before making a decision. For example, smaller businesses with very basic needs might find Lightspeed's features to be overkill and might be better served by a simpler, less expensive solution. Similarly, businesses with highly specialized needs might require a more niche POS system. So, who is Lightspeed not best for? Businesses with very limited budgets might find Lightspeed's pricing to be a barrier. While it offers various plans, it's a premium POS system, and the cost can add up, especially as your business grows. Also, very small businesses with extremely simple needs might find that Lightspeed offers more functionality than they require, making it unnecessarily complex for their operations. Ultimately, the best way to determine if Lightspeed is right for you is to try it out for yourself. Many providers offer free trials or demos, which allow you to explore the system and see if it meets your needs. Take advantage of these opportunities to get a feel for the software and ask questions about its features and capabilities. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.